Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Installing an S/MIME certificate in Outlook allows you to digitally sign and encrypt your emails for better security. First, obtain your certificate file from a trusted provider. This file usually ends in a .pfx or .p12 extension. Double-click the file to open the certificate import wizard. Choose the current user option and click Next. Ensure the file path is correct and hit Next again. Enter the password provided by your certificate issuer. Check the box to mark the key as exportable if you need to move it later. Select the option to automatically place the certificate in the store based on the type. Click Finish to complete the import. Now open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Click the File tab and select Options. Navigate to the Trust Center and click the Trust Center Settings button. Choose the Email Security tab on the left side. Under the Encrypted Email section, click the Settings button. Give your security setting a name like My Certificate. Click the Choose button next to the Signing Certificate box. Select your newly installed certificate from the list. Do the same for the Encryption Certificate box. Ensure the hash algorithm is set to SHA-256 and the encryption algorithm is AES-256. Click OK on all open windows to save your changes. To use the certificate, start a new email and go to the Options tab. Click the Sign or Encrypt buttons to secure your message. Your recipients can now verify your identity and read your private communications safely. This process keeps your sensitive data protected from hackers and unauthorized access today.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.